I'm going to be showing you how to build Jingliu in Honkai Star Rail. So here's a clear, up-to-date build guide for Jingliu in Honkai Star Rail. So Jingliu is a destructive ice DPS whose damage revolves around her enhanced skill in spectral transmigration. So the best light counts for her is I Shall Be My Own Sword, which increases crit damage and gives damage buffs including defense, which you can ignore. When Jingliu gets Eclipse stacks, it is great for maximizing her burst and crit damage. If you don't have that, then you can use On the Fall of an Aeon or a Secret Vow instead. It doesn't have to be just one. And as for her relic and ornament sets, the best sets you can use is a 4-piece Hunter of a Glacial Forest. This will help you boost ice damage, and after ultimate, it will help you boost crit damage for 2 turns, which is perfect for her burst phases. You need to give main priority to her body for crit damage, and you can use Planar Spear for ice damage and Link Rope for attack percentage. So just focus on her skill first, then ultimate, then you can use her talent and then use her basic attack last. And this will help you build a perfect Jingliu in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.